Hey guys, welcome back to HR Cabin. In this video, I am going to share you a simple biodata format which you can use it to apply for any job. I will provide the download link of this biodata format in below video description. I will upload both Word format and PDF format in Google Drive, and by clicking on the links provided in below video description, you can download this format. Let's see what this biodata form consists. And remember one thing, whenever you are preparing a biodata format, always use simple fonts. Here in this biodata format, I have used Georgia as a font, or you can also use some other simple fonts like Arial, Helvetica or Times New Roman. And remember one thing, these fonts will definitely look beautiful whenever you take the printout of this biodata format. Let's see what are the details of present on this biodata format. The first thing is your name, and next your date of birth, your phone number or mobile number, and your Gmail ID, and your father name, and your address for communication. On right hand side, you need to affix your passport size photograph. Now come to educational qualifications field. Here the qualifications are already present. If you want to change anything, you can edit this format, and here mention the year of passing, and next mention the educational institute from which you have completed that particular qualification, and finally mention the total percentage of marks you have achieved in that qualification. And next come to other skills. Here you can mention any technical skills or any computer skills which you have practiced. And now come to work experience. If you are a fresher, then you can leave this field blank, or if you have any experience, then you need to mention the name of the company and the number of years or months you have worked in that particular company and your job title in that company. If you have worked in multiple companies, then mention all details here. And if the space is not enough for you, then you can remove any of these fields like languages known or marital status or hobbies. These are not that important, but if the space is not enough for you to mention your work experience, then you can remove any of these fields. When it comes to languages known, you can mention whatever the languages you know. And when it comes to marital status, if you are a single, then mention unmarried, and if you are a married, then mention it is married. And if you have any hobbies or interests, then mention those hobbies or interests here. And finally, keep this declaration as it is. I hereby declare that all the information provided here is true to the best of my knowledge. You can keep this declaration as it is. And next mention the place in which you are living. And finally, the date on which you are submitting this biodata form. And finally, sign this form and submit it to the company in which you are looking for the job. This is a simple biodata format. I hope this will definitely helpful to you. And I am again telling that I will provide the download links in below video description from which you can download this biodata form. I hope you like this video, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to HR Cabin. Thank you.